Future buildings taller than Burj Khalifa, size comparison for more than a decade. One structure has dominated the world's skyline. The Burj Khalifa. Standing at an astonishing 828 meters, it remains the tallest building ever constructed. But what if the Burj Khalifa is only the beginning? Around the world, architects and engineers have imagined structures that would dwarf today's tallest skyscraper and completely redefine what is possible. In this video, we'll explore some of the incredible future buildings and megastructures that could rise higher than the Burj Khalifa. Let's start with the current king. Completed in 2010, the Burj Khalifa transformed Dubai's skyline and set a record that still stands today. Reaching over 160 floors into the sky, it pushed engineering, materials science, and construction technology to their limits. For years, many experts believed it would be difficult to build significantly taller structures. But new concepts soon emerged. One of the most talked about projects is the Dubai Creek Tower. Originally planned to surpass the Burj Khalifa, the tower was designed as a landmark structure for Dubai Creek Harbor. While its final height was never officially confirmed, early plans suggested it could rise well beyond the current world record. Its elegant design would rely on a central tower supported by a network of massive cables, allowing it to reach extraordinary heights while maintaining structural stability. Moving from planned projects to visionary concepts, we encounter the Exceed 4000. Unlike traditional skyscrapers, the Exceed 4000 was conceived as a gigantic self-contained city. Designed for Tokyo, this futuristic structure would stand approximately 4,000 meters tall, nearly 5 times the height of the Burj Khalifa. The concept envisioned housing hundreds of thousands of people within a single vertical city featuring transportation systems, residential zones, and commercial districts. Although current technology makes construction impossible, it remains one of the most ambitious architectural concepts ever proposed. Then there is the legendary Tokyo Tower of Babel. Inspired by ancient stories and futuristic engineering ideas, this proposed megastructure would soar to an unimaginable height of around 10,000 meters. That's over 12 times taller than the Burj Khalifa. At such a scale, the structure would rise into the upper atmosphere and function more like a mountain-sized city than a conventional building. No existing materials could currently support such a project, but it remains a fascinating vision of what future engineering might someday achieve. Other concepts also challenge conventional thinking. Vertical cities, kilometer-high towers, floating skyscrapers, and self-sustaining megastructures have all been proposed by architects seeking solutions to growing urban populations. As cities become more crowded, building upward may become increasingly attractive. But constructing taller buildings is about much more than simply stacking floors. Every additional meter introduces new challenges. Wind forces become stronger. Structural loads increase dramatically. Elevator systems become more complex. Water, electricity, ventilation, and emergency services must function reliably hundreds or even thousands of meters above the ground. Engineers must also consider human comfort. At extreme heights, building movement caused by wind can become noticeable to occupants. Advanced damping systems, innovative materials, and new construction techniques are required to keep these giant structures stable. Cost is another major obstacle. Projects taller than the Burj Khalifa require enormous financial investments and years of planning. Even if the technology exists, economic realities often determine whether these ambitious designs ever leave the drawing board. Yet history has shown that today's impossible ideas can become tomorrow's landmarks. Just a century ago, many people believed skyscrapers over 100 stories were unrealistic. Today, they exist around the world. The future of architecture may eventually include towers reaching several kilometers into the sky. Whether it's the Dubai Creek Tower, the Exceed 4000, the Tokyo Tower of Babel, or concepts yet to be imagined, one thing is certain. Humanity's desire to build higher has never disappeared. The Burj Khalifa may still hold the crown today. But somewhere in an architect's blueprint or an engineer's vision, the next generation of record-breaking megastructures is already taking shape. And when they arrive, they could make today's tallest building look surprisingly small.